Oh, the legendary Latgale Shmakovka. True Latgalian. You can make it from anything, from potatoes, grain, sugar, even what is growing in the garden. From berries, apples, cucumbers, but, if necessary, even from a stick of an axe. Let's go on a journey. At the heart of everything is sincerity, openness, and of course, bread. The hospitable Via at the Agloner Bread Museum knows what tastes best with Shmakovka. The secret of Shmakovka: all the best grows on a well-kept ground. Albert has earned his rest through patience and hard work, but his son has taken over the tradition of making Shmakovka. Beehives in the wood. In the laboratory of Shmakovka in Silina. Tasteful enjoyment awaits you. New flavors, unusual experiments, and tasty discoveries. What? Distillation apparatus? Latgale and Shmakovka made in Malnova, yeah, and a unique Smakito cocktail. A strong bitter drink for men, although ladies will also like it. This is how Shmakovka was used to be made at home, quietly. Gunnar Zaganis has collected the history of Latgale and Shmakovka. Traditions, secrets and tricks that we use for the Shmakovka preparation. Daugavpils Shmakovka Museum. The full story about Latgale Shmakovka can be found at the largest Shmakovka museum in the world. Daugavpils Shmakovka Museum.